Hello everyone, my name is Srirag. Today we are going to see the most awaited car of Hyundai, Alcazar. Alcazar means fortress and fortress means a lot of space. This car has a lot of space inside. This car is not the longest car in the segment. However, this has got a very good wheelbase of 2760. That means you can rest assured there would be a lot of space inside the car. Now, let's see the engine options. There are two engine options, petrol and diesel. Petrol engine is a 2-liter engine which makes a power of 159 and a torque of 191 Nm. And the diesel engine comes with a 1.5-liter engine which makes a power of 115 PS and a torque of 250 Nm. Hyundai claims a very good fuel efficiency for both the engines. Nowadays, fuel efficiency actually matters. Now let's see how the car is from inside. This car has got a feature of remote engine start-stop. To use that, it is very simple. You have to press the lock button and then press the hold button for 4 seconds. The car will get started. Let's see. The car has started. Now let's go inside. The car really looks nice now. I'm unlocking the car and I'm getting inside. Now let's see the car from inside. As soon as you get inside the Alcazar, you feel luxury inside. There's a lot of space inside. The feel of the steering is really nice. The texture is really good. The car looks really premium. And मेरा personal favorite की बात करूँ तो वो है pedal shifters. I love them. अब digital display की बात करें तो this has got a complete digital display. And the best part about this is this has got a blind view monitor. That means जैसे आप इंडिकेटर को प्रेस करेंगे लेफ्ट या राइट का तो ORVM के नीचे कैमरा है which will guide कि आपके ब्लाइंड स्पॉट में क्या है, कोई गाड़ी है कि नहीं. तो ये आपको हेल्प करेगा ब्लाइंड स्पॉट को अवॉइड करने में. Coming to the system, this has got a 10.25-inch Bose system which has a lot of features, but the attractive part what I like the most is this has got 360-degree view, and secondly this has got a 64 color ambient light. 64 color ambient light first came in Mercedes-Benz, then it came in the MG. Now Hyundai has come up with a 64 color ambient light. And अगर हम लोग बात करें, this has got a drive mode. जैसे आप ड्राइव मोड प्रेस करते हैं, you have a comfort mode, you have a eco mode and you have a sports mode. और अगर हम ट्रैक्शन की बात करें तो ट्रैक्शन में this has got a snow mode, a sand mode and a mud mode. So that gives you confidence to take the car anywhere. अब इसके अलावा lot of features are there like electronic park, auto hold, seat cooling option for both the driver and co-driver. इसके अलावा there is got a lot of storage space inside. इसके अलावा you have got a wireless mobile charging option too. And इसके अलावा this has got a SOS feature and RSA service and 60+ BlueLink feature. Isn't it amazing? This has got a complete package of everything. Now let's go to the second row and see the space inside. Alcazar has a 2-sitting option, a 6-seater and a 7-seater. Today we are sitting at a 6-seater. अब 6-सीटर की खास बात है कि यू हैव गॉट योर इंडिविजुअल स्पेस. अब इसके सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगती है मेरे को, ये सीट में बैठने के बाद ये जो हेडरेस्ट है इट्स सो कम्फी. मतलब आप बैठने के बाद यू विल फील सो रिलैक्स बिकॉज ऑफ द सॉफ्ट कुशन. इसके अलावा जैसे आप दरवाज़ा बंद करते हैं, दरवाज़ा बंद करने के बाद अगर धूप आ रही है तो वी हैव गॉट सनशेड एंड इट इज़ रियली ईजी टू यूज़, इजंट इट. और ये बहुत ही आराम से आप इसको रिमूव भी कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा आपको मिलेगा ट्रे. आप इस ट्रे में आप अपना आईपैड रख सकते हैं. ड्राइव के दौरान आप अपने पीछे बैठ के एंजॉय कर सकते हैं, मूवीज़ देख सकते हैं. इसके अलावा यहाँ पे कॉफ़ी आप रख सकते हैं. इसके अलावा यू हैव गॉट वेरी नाइस AC वेंट्स, स्टोरेज स्पेस भी वहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. इसके अलावा चार्जिंग ऑप्शन भी है. आपके पास एक वायरलेस चार्जिंग ऑप्शन सेकेंड रो में भी मिलता है आपको. इसके अलावा आपको 2 कप होल्डर्स मिलेंगे एंड लॉट ऑफ स्टोरेज स्पेस इनसाइड. इन सब के अलावा यू हैव गॉट अ गुड वेरी बिग पैनोरामिक सनरूफ. ये आपको इस पूरे लग्जरी को और एक्स्ट्रा लग्जरी बना देता है. That means if you sum it up, you have got luxury features, you have got very comfy features, you have got very utility features, everything inside the second row, which is amazing. और ये second row को बहुत ही comfortable and relaxing बना देगा. Now let's go in the third row and I will show you how easy it is to get into the third row. It's very easy. You just have to press this and the seat will get tumbled and then we can go inside. So let's go. I'm sitting on the third row of Alcazar and I'm 6 feet tall. As you have seen, it was very comfortable for me to get inside the third row. That means it would be comfortable for majority of people. The third row also has a lot of storage areas and utility features, like you have a cup holder, you have a mobile holder, you have a USB charge to your device. इसके अलावा आपको अपने AC का कंट्रोल भी यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, फैन स्पीड आप ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा you will not feel cramped here because there are a lot of glass areas, like window है, यहाँ पे एक window है, you have got a window here, you have got a sunroof here, so you don't feel cramped on the third row. एंड इस सब के अलावा अगर आपको कोई एक्स्ट्रा लगेज स्टोर करके लेके जाना है तो आपके पास एक और ऑप्शन है, आप इस सीट को फोल्ड कर सकते हैं एंड ये पूरा एरिया आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो स्टोरेज लगेज को लेके जाने के लिए. नाउ लेट्स सी द बूट स्पेस ऑफ Alcazar. It has a storage space of 180 liters with 6 people inside. And if you want to increase the boot space, you can increase it by like this. And if you want more boot space, now you can have a lot of storage space inside the car. This car is a complete package for you and your family. To know more about this and take a test drive, please visit Concept Hyundai. Thank you so much.